1975 Porsche 911 Carrera Sunroof Coupe. Price $108,500. Location Colorado, USA. The 1975 Porsche 911 Carrera Sunroof Coupe is far more than just another classic sports car. It represents one of the rarest chapters in Porsche history, with only 395 Carrera Coupes produced for the entire 1975 model year. This particular example is number 386 of that exclusive production run, making it a highly desirable collector's piece. Finished in its original factory silver metallic paint over a black interior, this air-cooled masterpiece has traveled only 37,587 miles and continues to showcase the timeless beauty that has made the Porsche 911 one of the world's most recognizable sports cars. The legendary 2.7-liter air-cooled flat-six engine delivers the unmistakable Porsche soundtrack that enthusiasts dream about. Mated to the sought-after Type 915 5-speed manual transmission, every shift provides a direct mechanical connection between driver and machine. Bosch K-Jetronic fuel injection ensures smooth power delivery, while four-wheel disc brakes inspire confidence, whether cruising through mountain roads or carving tight corners. This is the kind of driving experience modern performance cars simply cannot duplicate. The exterior is pure automotive artwork. Factory RS-style flared fenders give the Carrera an aggressive stance, while the iconic ducktail rear spoiler reminds everyone of Porsche's legendary racing success. Black Carrera side graphics perfectly contrast against the silver metallic finish, and the classic 15-inch Fuchs-style wheels complete the unmistakable Porsche appearance. Add the desirable factory sunroof, Bosch headlights, black window trim, and period-correct details, and you have a sports car that turns heads everywhere it goes. The interior reflects Porsche's driver-first philosophy with a beautifully preserved cockpit featuring classic VDO gauges, a 3-spoke steering wheel, supportive high-back bucket seats, air conditioning, power windows, and a vintage blow-punked radio. Folding rear seats provide additional practicality, while the analog dashboard clock, door pockets, glove box, and carefully maintained trim preserve the authentic atmosphere of a true 1970s Porsche. Even the original factory literature, Bilstein jack and spare tire accompany the car, enhancing its originality and collector value. The 1975 Carrera occupies a unique place in Porsche history. It belongs to the first generation of impact bumper 911s while still carrying the DNA of the legendary Carrera RS models that dominated motorsport. Because production numbers were incredibly limited, surviving examples have become increasingly difficult to find, especially in such well-preserved condition. Collectors understand that rarity, originality, and mechanical excellence are the ingredients that create long-term value, and this Carrera checks every box.